Welcome to my channel. So the last video or the short that I made, I made a little short showcasing what this hallway does, um, where basically whenever you would turn around, it would take you to the start of the hallway, and I figured I'd showcase a little bit on how this works. So whenever you walk down the hallway, there is repeating command blocks in the middle of each room, no matter how far you go down, so that whenever you decide to turn around, um, pretty much only works in the one direction. I'm standing a little bit further back because it pretty much only detects if you're just over that block. But whenever you look towards the right side of the wall here, and your camera passes through right there, it will teleport you back to the start of the hallway here, which basically is an execute command where the way it is set up is execute if entity at P for the closest player is within a distance, and then we do two periods for within one block, and then you do a comma, and then Y rotation for the yaw. We put the corresponding numbers that we need into where that goes there, and then I did a dot dot to continue where it will also end up going. So you have, I think, a little over 10 blocks to look there. Um, and if it detects you looking within that direction, it will run the teleport command, bringing you back to the start of the hallway there. So to figure out the yaw, you press F3, and you can see in the rotation in the green, it is the second green thing on the left there. It shows you your yaw and your pitch. Pitch is looking up and down, and your yaw is left and right. Um, so basically, it just detects whenever you look within 173 to negative 173. So you got a little bit of a distance. Um, the only issue is if you are looking in just one direction, you can't move side to side because it's teleporting you here. Um, that's basically how the command works, and pretty much same thing repeating down the entire hallway. Just this left side being a little bit different where I changed where it teleports you to and made it so you're kind of facing a certain direction. That way, when you look back this way, it is supposed to teleport you so you're facing down the hallway like this, and then it would teleport you um, if you look back like that to look down the hallway. It would teleport you back to the start there, but sometimes it glitches out. It's a little bit more obvious of a teleport with these ones on the left side here. But other than that, it's not too bad where you can kind of see, you can tell the room changes. Although I think it's just the lighting. But then you're looking down, same amount of doors as you were in that room or that hallway. But then as you look back, you so that's basically a quick little showcase of how the command in the hallway works. I like the ones down the main part of the hallway here. They are a bit more seamless. It's sometimes harder to see, especially if you're like standing right in the middle like that. Works pretty good. Um, all in all, I think it works great for like horror maps or adventure maps. It's a fun little puzzle. You know, someone turns around or turns certain directions depending on how you have it set up. It can teleport them to different areas. And depending on how you are using your relative coordinates, it can look a lot more seamless. But yeah, it's basically just whenever you look a certain direction, it will teleport you to wherever you have the coordinates set. In my case, it was the first little cube of the hallway here.